Now that we are more familiar with our clay, we can start to make a pot. Let's start by making a pinch pot. So, in case the name didn't give it away, we can make a pinch pot by using our fingers to pinch the clay into the shape we want it. Let me show you how. First, take your clay and roll it into a ball with your hands. Next, press it gently against the table to flatten it on one side. Just like that. Now, this is when we can start making the pot. So, take your thumb and press it into the middle of the pot to make a little hole. Now, we can start to use our fingers to pinch and pull the clay until the sides are as thick or as thin as we want them to be. We're going to pinch the sides of the clay until we have a nice dip in the middle. Now, dip your fingers in some water to make the clay more malleable. This means that the clay is easier to mold. So using your fingers, we're going to smoothen our clay until the edges are as thick or as thin as we want them to be. And don't forget to smoothen all those little lines and cracks to stop your clay from breaking when it dries. And there you go. That is how you make a simple pinch pot using clay. Now it's your turn. Remember, don't make the clay too wet because that will make it very sticky and really hard to mold. Have fun and enjoy making your clay creations.